The aim of this video is to promote our cultural heritage. And here with me I have...
My name is Ibrahim.
My name is Ibrahim. My name is Peter. My name is Mrs.
Okay, and you are what tribe?
I'm Hausa by tribe.
I'm Nupe by tribe and Igbo by tribe.
Okay, and as you all know, I am Nwadangozi. Okay, and today's episode we're starting with an Hausa tribe. So he's going to tell us a wonderful story.
Nauni na gajiya yaya zaman gida. Ni Hausa ne, ina zaune ne a ƙasar Hausa kuma ni na zauna ne a inda ake yin aikin hannu a ƙasar Hausa. Don haka zan fara ne da tatsuniya na gizo-gizo. Akwai gizo-gizon da ya nannaɗe kuda, kuma kudan kasan ba zai iya tafiya ba. Da haka gagayen da yake yin ƙaran nan haka ni ma nake ƙara. In na tashi daga nan zan wuce gida ne, amma in je na ga ba abinci zan zama wani hali. Especially an da je gida na ga an ce ba ya abinci ba, za a shege din siyo abu, ba zan ji daɗi ba. Don haka ni gaskiya ina son abinci sosai, kuma ba wanda ya kai ni ci a gidanmu, kuma ni kadai ne ban tsaro. A gidanmu ni kadai ne ba na jin nufanci, duk sauran suna ji, amma saboda ni na dage ne a Hausa ba na son wani language ya zo ya kada mu da shi. Gizo-gizon nan lokacin da ya kama wannan kudan ya nannaɗe shi, to wannan kudan yana ƙara. Don haka wannan ƙaran na mutuwa ne. Don Allah a dinga tausaya ma abubuwa, ba ka dinga gani abubuwa kawai kana kashe sa anyhow ba. So, thank you.
Thank you, Ahmad Sheikh Ibrahim, for this wonderful story. And now, over to the Nupe tribe. Start. Thank you. Thank you, Ibrahim Isman, for this wonderful story. Now over to the Yoruba tribe.
ṣe ẹ̀rọ àbúrò mi àti ẹ̀gbẹ́ mi ẹkúṣẹ́ mi èmi nílé wa mo láìkí oúnjẹ àmọ́ mo láìkí kí mo ṣiṣẹ́ èmi tí òbí mi bá wá ní sẹ́ mi nínú àti iṣẹ́ mi kí n fọwọ́ kí n fọwọ́ fún mi kí n ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ àti tí nǹkan tó bá kú tí máa ṣe àwọn ìpínlẹ̀ tí òbí máa bá pé kí n lọ síbi èmi lọ láti kí n lọ kankan àti máa wọ́n mi lọ sọ́jà èmi lọ sọ́jà máa fún mi assignment láti assignment ìgbàgbọ́ lọ síbi iṣẹ́ tí ọ̀gá mi ní lọ fẹ́ láti wá sí kankan máa ti lọ tán máa ṣe kankan máa ṣe ní àwọn látọ̀ọ́dún ibi tí àwọn òbí mi tí wọ́n ti jẹun látọ̀ọ́dún bẹ̀rẹ̀ dáadáa láti gbogbo nǹkan tí mo bá ṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti gbogbo nǹkan èmi láti kí mo ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa mo láti oúnjẹ tí mo jẹ àmọ́ láti kí mo fọwọ́ kí mo transport mo láti kí mo kàwé kí mo ṣe ọgbọ́n nǹkan àwọn òbí mi tí wọ́n fún mi wọ́n kó tó máa mọ̀ kí àwọn òbí mi máa ṣe èmi mo láti kí mo ṣe fún àwọn òbí mi ṣe ṣe lẹ́kùn náà lẹ́kùn.
Thank you, Peter Emmanuel, for this wonderful story in your Yoruba. Okay, over to the Igbo tribe. Start. Okay. Thank you, Francis Ime, for this wonderful story. Hausa tribe. Okay, Hausa tribe, please, what lesson do you expect us to learn from the story you just told us now?
I want you to be forgiving somebody, even though you have mind to beat somebody. If you just said sorry for it, you should be sorry. So I want you to learn that if you see something that even though it's not a person, if it's not a human being, even though it's animal, do not kill him anyhow. Thank you.
Nupe tribe, from your story, what do you want us to learn?
I want you to go there. If they say you should go to sleep, go every day. If they say you should go to sleep, now don't go to sleep and play football. Thank you.
Okay, Yoruba.
I want us to learn that if you go to our class, if our parents send you to market, you should go, and if our teacher say don't do this, don't do it, don't do it.
Igbo.
What I learned from this place is that if you need you should do assignment, you should do it. But if the teacher tell you that you should do assignment, but your parents will not come and bring you to this school to do this. Thank you.
Thank you. This is where we will draw our curtain for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. Bye bye. Say bye to the audience.
Bye.